Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Saarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello children. In our previous lecture, part 2, we learned about storage devices. Today in part 3, we are going to learn about output devices. What is output devices? Devices that helps us to show the result of processing is called output devices. Devices which is going to be used for displaying the output of the process, that all the devices are known as the output devices. यानी कि उस डिवाइसेस जो हमें आउटपुट डिस्प्ले करने में हेल्प करते हैं उसको हम आउटपुट डिवाइस बोलेंगे. लाइक मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, स्पीकर्स एंड प्लॉटर. These all are known as output devices. First one is a monitor, also known as a visual display unit. Monitor also known as a VDU, that is visual display unit. It looks like a TV screen. We all are aware with the monitor, like, right? Means a monitor looks like a TV screen. जैसे हमारे घर पे टीवी होती है, मॉनिटर उसी की तरह दिखता है. It displays both text and pictures. Monitor can display text and pictures. Output displayed on monitor is known as a soft copy. The output that we can see on the monitor, that output is known as a soft copy. Next one is a printer. It gives exactly what is seen on the screen as an output on paper. The thing that we can see on the monitor screen, the same thing we can print onto the paper by using printer. यानी कि जो स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिखाई दे रहा है वैसा ही बिल्कुल हम प्रिंटर की मदद से पेपर के ऊपर ले सकते हैं. The printouts from the printer is known as a hard copy. The printouts that is given by the printer is known as a hard copy, while that the output that we can see on the monitor, that is known as a soft copy, and the printout that we can take from the printer is known as a hard copy. Based on the technology used, the printer is classified as two: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers. Impact printer use typewriting printing mechanism. There is a direct contact between the paper and the print head. For example, dot matrix printer. If we are talking about the impact printer, then impact printer is used a typewriting printing mechanism, and there is a direct contact between the paper and the print head. Example is dot matrix printer. It has a matrix of small pins. These pins are pushed back and forth on the page to form a pattern of dots. Dots depends on a type of image or text. In the dot matrix printer has a small pins for a printing purpose. These pins are pushed back and forward for the printing or the create a pattern of dots, and the pattern depends on the type of image and the text. Second one is a non-impact printers. Do not touch the paper while printing. We learned that impact printer having a direct contact between the paper and the printer head, while in the non-impact printer there is no contact between paper and the print head. Use chemical, heat or electric signal to print. Non-impact printers are used chemical, heat or the electric signal for printing any image or text. For example, inkjet and a laser printer. Inkjet printer. It usually prints in color. Inkjet printer usually used for color printing. That color spraying out by small dots of ink onto the paper. It works faster than the dot matrix printer. In the inkjet printer, name suggests that it used the ink for a printing purpose, right? The color and this inkjet printer is normally used for the color print, and the colors are spraying by the small dots of ink onto the paper. And this inkjet printer is faster than a dot matrix printer. It produced the image of better quality compared to dot matrix printer. Compared to dot matrix printer, its inkjet printer produced the images of better quality. Laser printer. It used a laser beam to print. This type of printer is very fast. It produced the image of high quality. We all are aware with this printer ना, हमने ये बहुत सारी जगहों पर इस तरह का प्रिंटर्स देखा है. नॉर्मली स्कूल्स में या तो ऑफिस में इस तरह के प्रिंटर्स देखने को मिलते हैं. दिस लेजर प्रिंटर यूज अ लेजर बीम फॉर अ प्रिंटिंग, and this type of printer produced a high quality images, that we can say HD images, and prints a very fast. Other next output device is, yes, speaker. By using speaker we can listen music and sound that is playing into the computer system. हम इस स्पीकर की मदद से कंप्यूटर के अंदर जो कुछ भी साउंड या म्यूजिक प्ले हो रहा है उसको हम सुन सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ प्लॉटर. इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर प्रिंटर्स. Plotter is a one kind of printer, but it is different from other printers. It draws a line using a pen. As a result, it produces a continuously line by printing a closely spaced series of dots. It prints large printouts of drawing. If we are talking about the printer, then a printer uses the pins or laser beams or chemical or heat for a printing purpose. But in the plotter use a pen for drawing lines. This line produce a closely spaced series of dots, and in the result we can show a very huge image that we want to print. मीन्स कि ये जो प्लॉटर होता है वो सबसे बड़ी बड़ी इमेजेस को प्रिंट करने के लिए यूज होता है. आज हमने जो सीखा उसमें एक कीवर्ड था, वो है आउटपुट डिवाइस. डिवाइसेस दैट हेल्प अस टू शो द रिजल्ट ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग. मतलब कि जिस डिवाइस की मदद से हम आउटपुट देख सकते हैं उन सारे डिवाइसेस को हम आउटपुट डिवाइसेस बोलेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.